Introducing the Ivation Precision Temperature Electric Kettle, where elegance meets technology for the perfect tea. It features an adjustable length cord, so there's no messy wires. And it's cordless, so you can use it with ease. The kettle holds up to 1.7 litres of water, and the filter is removable for easy cleanup. A water window tells you how much is left. Just attach the kettle in any direction you'd like and get started. Choose your preset from the simple one-touch controls on the kettle's handle. There's options for various tea temperatures, French press coffee, instant cocoa, oatmeal, noodles and more. This kettle boils fast with 1500 watts of heating power. Press Keep Warm to keep water at set temperature for up to 2 hours. We've added a heat-resistant handle and a no-drip spout, plus a memory function that keeps your settings set for up to 90 seconds. So boil with ease. With our boil-safe protection, you have nothing to worry about. So have a sip, relax and enjoy. Ivation for life.
At OXO, we have as many tea enthusiasts as we do coffee fanatics. So when it comes time for your favorite cup of tea, OXO's got the right kettle for the job. The OXO Classic Tea Kettle features silicone touch points both on the spout cap and handle to help resist heat. Flip the spout cap down to cover the spout and listen for the kettle to whistle when the water is boiling. Then flip the spout cap back to reveal a precise spout that won't drip while pouring. Turn the handle down to get it out of the way when filling the kettle or for storage. A large lid opening makes filling and cleaning more convenient. Seamless, high-grade stainless steel guards against rust, and the Classic Tea Kettle has a 1.7 quart capacity. Here's a good tip. At OXO, we recommend wiping down your kettle periodically, as oil splatter from cooking can wear away at the outside of your tea kettle.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp Electric Kettle. It's 1.7 liters. It can swivel all the way around, comes off the base so that you can take it to your table and serve your guests. But the really great thing about it is it can stay off the base for 2 minutes, and when you bring it back, it remembers what you programmed it to. So there's a button on the top that you press that opens the lid that allows you to take it to the sink and fill it. There's also a filter screen inside that comes out. The element is built into the base of the unit so that it's not actually in the interior. So that is really great, especially if you have high minerals in your water. This is perfect for making teas and French press coffee. A lot of people don't know that when you make specialty teas like delicate tea or green tea, a lot of people will say that they don't like the taste of green tea because it's very bitter. But the real reason is they're actually brewing the tea at the wrong temperature. For delicate teas, you use 160 degrees, green 175, white 185, oolong 190, French press 200. For black tea, you want to be at a boil. So what you do is you just press the button that you wish, it'll light up, and you hit start, and what will happen is when it gets to the proper temperature, it'll actually be ready to use. The other thing that's really nice too is there's a keep warm feature on here. You'll notice that this kettle is cordless, and how it operates is this base, when you connect the kettle to it, is how the electricity comes to the kettle to power it. This can swivel around 360 degrees. Here's your water window, which is lit up in blue. So if you want to make the perfect cup of tea, no matter what type, make sure you get the Perfect Temp Kettle by Cuisinart.